Three types of people you'll meet. First are the leaf people. These are people who come into your life just for a season. These individuals are unreliable and undependable. They are here to take what they need, and as soon as a blizzard swings by in your life, they are nowhere to be found. Second are the branch people. You got to observe these people. Even though they are stronger than leaves, you have to test them before you put your weight on them. They may stay with you for some seasons, but they will break away when life becomes tough. And finally, the root people. These individuals are the rare gems because they don't do things to be seen. They are the silent guardians who stand by us through every storm, offering nourishment for our souls and stability in times of chaos. They are supported, and even if you go through a difficult time, they will hold you up. They love you just the way you are.